Okay. Testing a microphone here. Let's see if this works. Hey guys, this morning I found a video of how to load a pro angler. Arguably one of the best fishing kayak out there, but it's also one of the heaviest kayak out there. So if you don't have a truck or a trailer, it's kind of hard to mobilize it. So I have a friend of mine who owns a pro angler, and I filmed him. Well, I have a friend of mine that owns a pro angler 14, but he has an Impala, a little Chevy Impala, and he was able to use his Yakima Rack to actually load that 130, 150 pound loaded Hobie Pro Angler on top of his Impala. And I filmed it on my cell phone. I finally found the footage. So if you ever wanted one of those vessel and have a car and think you couldn't transport it, well, here's a way you can actually do it with the Chevy Impala. There you go. It's cell phone footage. It's not going to be great, but I think it'll be helpful. Step one. Alright, so Todd's putting Pro Angler 14 on his Impala. What rack system is that? That's a Yakima what?
Yakima Rack.
Nothing special?
Standard rack, 48. I think it's 48-inch bars.
Alright, so you rest it on there at the bow. Alright.
Pick up for that. Wait. And I'm in the bow. And then have right angle.
Alright.
There you go. Yeah.
Just shimmy it on there, like the video said. Balance it properly.
Okay. There it is. Moving on.
And strap it down.
Strap it down. That's it.